Hey guys, my name is Kelly and I'm a full-time reseller. I sell primarily on sites like Poshmark and ThriftUp. My store and Instagram name are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm going to be doing a quick thrift with me. Let me see if I can find the receipt. Purchased these items quite a while ago. Okay, so I purchased these items March 31st. So it's been a while. I haven't listed any of them. I'm gonna list them after this video. So I'm just going to insert the footage from the thrift store, and then after that I will do the haul. If you like this kind of video, if you could give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, that would really mean a lot to me. I finally got to 500 subscribers and I'm getting pretty close to 550, so I really appreciate anybody that subscribes. Might not seem like a big number, but for me it's a big number. Okay, and now I'm gonna insert the footage. Okay, so that was the footage that I had from the thrift store. I know it wasn't a lot. It's hard for me to film in thrift stores. I get really nervous because people like look at you weird and stuff. So onto the haul. I spent $58.50 was what I spent, and I got 7 items, I think. I don't know. So this thrift haul is at Value Village. It's called Savers and other places. I do like thrifting here sometimes, but you definitely have to dig to find good stuff, and it has to be like half off. I don't know, the receipts are kind of confusing. It looks like everything was 20% off because I had a 20% off coupon, and then one item was half off. So let's get started. I have some really good stuff, some new brands, so please watch until the end. Okay, this first item is just for me. This is not a brand that I would ever pick up to sell. I'm just gonna set this over here. So this is not a brand that I would ever pick up to sell. It's just Faded Glory. I don't think I ever even bought this for myself. It was $6, like $6 for Faded Glory, 20% off, but I bought it for me. Since I've gained weight, like I don't like dresses. They always feel too short. I think that I might be okay in this dress. So, yeah, I'm really excited to try that on. I didn't try it on in the store. I don't think that, the fitting rooms are open. Okay, next, if I remember correctly, this is Free People Beach. Yep, here's the tag. Free People Beach. It was $8.99, which is not even bad for this store, where sometimes I'll see like a Free People dress for like $50. So this is it. It's super cute. It has like ruffles. At the bottom, it buttons up. And these sleeves are so cute. This is really cute. It feels like maybe linen. Let me take a look. I don't see a tag. Okay, I don't see a tag saying what it's made out of. Maybe I'm just missing it. It feels like linen to me. But, so it's like a beach cover-up. Could be just like a dress. It's a little sheer, even though it's black. But I'm super excited to list this. I wish it was my size. Next is Spanx. There's the tag. This was $5, which is a little more than I'd like to pay for a tank top. I would love to find Spanx that fit me, like especially the bottom parts, but I don't know. I might try this on just to see, because it's like, it'd be nice to have things like sucked in a little bit, but Spanx seems to do pretty well for me, so this was 20% off. So I'm okay with that. Okay, so let me look at my receipt again. It looks like a summer dress was half off and everything else was 20% off. So I'm not sure which dress. I'll probably, whichever one is like the most expensive, is probably that. Okay, this was $7.79 and it's Eileen Fisher. Yep. Eileen Fisher sells so good for me on ThredUp. I'm going to be making a video on ThredUp soon. I've made a lot of money on there. But I am having some problems with them. So, I'm going to be doing a video talking about brands I send in to make a lot of money, brands that can get you a payout of over $100, like how to make good money on their tips and tricks, and I'll talk about the issues with ThredUp because it's not a perfect platform. There are a lot of problems. So anyway, I didn't even really show you the skirt. It's like a midi skirt. It reminds me of Exclusively Miss Sook, just like a basic like pencil skirt. It's knit. Let's see what it's made out of. It's 80% silk, so that's nice. Okay, this is also Eileen Fisher. And this was $5.99, which isn't bad for their brands. It could be a mini dress, but it has a slit pretty high up, so I think it might be a super long top. I think it's linen. Let's see. I'm almost positive this has to be linen. Yeah, it's 100% linen, basic t-shirt dress, or a swimsuit cover-up, because it looks long, but the slit would be like at your waist, so this would be a good swimsuit cover-up. Okay, this brand I was excited to find. I think this might be the one that was half off, because I would never pay $20. I think it was like the color tag that was half off, so I'm pretty sure I only paid $10 because there's no way I would pay $20 for this. We'll look at the other items, but the brand is Dazey. I guess I can take the tag off because it's covering it. Dazey LA. It's, I'm pretty sure an Anthropologie brand. It's made in LA. It's this really nice terracotta, like jumpsuit dress, like overall dress kind of. It's like this really nice terracotta color. It has pockets. I think it's linen. It's cotton. It feels like linen though, like more like textured and thick kind of. Yeah, it's super nice. It has pockets in the front and in the back. Oh, I might try this on. Okay, next one was $11.79, and the brand is Gal Meets Glam. So I do have one item from them listed, and it's been sitting for like so long, like probably over a year and a half, but it's a very unique style. Like it has super puffy sleeves and it's more formal, but this is blue. It's like nice and kind of formal, but also casual. It's a size 16. I just think this is more likely to sell because this is a good brand and it can sell well, but I think the style I had before was not that great. So I'm super excited about this dress. Okay, last item. If you're still watching, I really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and comment and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Okay, so this brand, Classiques Interior Altier. So Classiques Interior, I think the Altier might be like another line from them, but I have sold their stuff on ThredUp for a lot. I sold a coat by them for $180 on ThredUp, and my payout was like $140, I think. The person ended up returning it. I was so sad, but this brand can sell well. This color is really cute. It's like, I didn't even show you the item, oh my god. It's made of wool, Angora rabbit hair, and cashmere. It's super soft. It's a gorgeous green color. I am gonna be listing this on Poshmark. I don't trust ThredUp at the moment because I sent them some very expensive items and they all came back soaked in, I don't know, some kind of, it felt like soap, but it left like a brown stain and everything. I had Giorgio Armani, Theory, Vince, Max Mara. Oh yeah, a separate issue was I had sent in a 100% genuine leather gold Max Mara leather jacket. This jacket probably retailed for like $3,000 and they sent it back and it has like not rips. It has like where the leather is gone in some spots and it's like the black lining underneath, like something like ripped at it or whatever. It's like, can you send me back my expensive items in good condition? So anyway, that was a short haul. I hope you guys liked it. I'll try to be better about filming in the store. It's just really hard. So thank you for watching. Bye.